Peace be upon you. Respected teachers, parents, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Whatever our religion, in the end, we are all Pakistani. Wishing a very happy Independence Day to everyone. Today we all gathered here to celebrate 14th August. This day is when Pakistan became independent in 1947. This day is very important for us because on this day we got a free country. Life without liberty is like a body without spirit.